जी
Rashi. Currently, I am
Sir, women should join Indian Armed Forces as a permanent commission because physical strength doesn't matter in any kind of gender. It's all about that we are capable or not. I would like to state an example of Saudi.
he was for RD West candidate. So his performance was very good, and he actually reached up to YB, and I think it was Nepal. It was Nepal.
Yes.
So air wing and naval wing, you people are getting some extra privilege. If you are performing somehow good, you may get the opportunity. But army wing, even the challenges are very high. Even competition is high, more students are there, so that people are expected to reveal your best. So let's have a glimpse of those candidates. So my dear candidates, you all are assembled here for the purposeful gathering, and the topic is role of NCC in nation building. I hope you must have collected the basic information which the topic requires. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
I'd like to give you some privilege in that. So I would like to hear some important content one by one for 30 seconds only, and after just completion, even you people are expected to just start your discussion without any further information. But please do not exceed your words after 30 seconds. Otherwise, I'll just skip it. So let's start with just number one, or from this side. Please start.
Thank you for the privilege, sir.
Please start.
I would like to mention that a half-empty glass is different from a half-filled glass. We can have information regarding something, we can have the skills, we can have the opportunities, but NCC is a step ahead. NCC provides us the domain in which we can increase our own self, we can see with the perspectives of others, we can interact with the individuals which are not possible to be interacted in the civil. We can interact with the officers in our daily life, we can get opportunities to get to the foreign countries, we can get opportunities to know about our fellow mates, we can get opportunities to know about the diversity in the defense field. We can also get to know about the diversity in army, in navy, and in air force.
Yes. Okay. Next.
Shahid, thank you, sir, for giving
No, please do not debate it. Just participate in that.
Yes. NCC is an organization which is contributing in making and developing the nation and the youth, because the youth is the only thing that comes after the old ones. And we are here, and we will we are here, and we can the only people over here who can develop the nation afterwards. And we can see NCC is playing an important role in developing the leaders of tomorrow. They are here.
Okay. Next.
The youth of the country aspire to join the defense forces. As you all know that NCC is working in that field also. As well, NCC is known as the second line and the youngest part of form of the defense forces. So NCC is providing a very unique and essential platform to the youth of the country. And NCC is implemented in the high schools and the higher secondary level, and also in the college level. They are providing the youth a platform where they can enhance their skills, as well as they can unite themselves and make themselves officer-like qualities inculcated in them.
Okay. Next.
This is a platform where youth can get self-confidence, motivation, spirit of outlook, and secular thinking, where they get a platform to create themselves. As a way of being a youth, nowadays we are the more intention to get a spirit of adventure, self-confidence, and as I talked about nowadays the government also.
Okay. Next.
NCC is youth building program, by which we are knowing that NCC is building the strength and the personality and the leadership quality in the cadets for the performing.
Okay. Next.
As we know that NCC is being a backup plan for as we know that in our entire life we need a backup plan, and NCC is being one of the largest youth organization in the world, and we are following it on that purpose. My friend, as we know that NCC not only builds the cadets of our country, but it also builds the personality of the cadet, my friend. It characterizes builds the character of the cadet to make their life effective, my friend. As we know that NCC have many programs in social awareness, like they used to have a blood donation camp, as well as they participate in the tree plantation.
Next. Do not exceed your word limit.
My friends, when we say NCC, that means leadership, that means
representation of entire nation, that means discipline. Now, according to the motto of NCC, that recites unity and discipline, when we say NCC, it means organization, it means training, and therefore this largest youthful uniform force of the globe, I believe NCC is the largest organization which prepares youth not only for the futures in armed forces, but for all the services that through which nation can be saved. So I believe NCC has larger role to contribute towards nation building.
Role of NCC in nation building. Truly in the country like India, we are having the high population of youth. So definitely we say NCC plays a vital role as it rectifies youth into the different qualities. Either it is a discipline, leadership, comradeship, and a responsible citizen. So definitely we can say NCC is going to play a vital role over there.
Okay, now please start.
My friends, when we say Battle of Waterloo wasn't fought merely on the borders of France, it was fought in the playgrounds of schools. And when I say this, I mean the military leadership that is cultivated as nurseries for these organizations. And NCC, being the largest youthful organization and largest uniform organization of the globe, actually harbors largest patriotism also and prepares youth for future nation building.
Agreeing with the just number 2, it is said that NCC is the largest organization which is helping and allowing the people to inculcate all the military leadership and the commands and commentary, which is helpful in not only the part of the career as well as in the personal life also. We can see the people who are not trained as a cadet, but they are not performing well when there is. I really appreciate the words stated by my friends. Apart from that, there are the various other things in which NCC is playing an important role. Either it is a comradeship, it is a discipline, as well as NCC also motivates the youth to join the armed forces and serve the nation in the uniform, as well as also to excel in their life in the different careers.
And it is just number 8 point. As you all know, NCC is an organization and it gives the largest platform to the youth of the country to explore themselves and to get more and more skills.
Within 30 seconds, just after giving your first basic information. So after that, completion of the last test circle, you are going to start a discussion. Objective of the discussion is not to win, so that please do not make chaos. Okay?
Yes.
Objective of the discussion is to develop. Whatsoever the information you have, you just want to inculcate the basic information that the another can.
It paints the picture of pride and honor. The role of NCC in nation building can be compared to the role of gardener in making the garden called country a really beautiful one by actually pampering and growing the flowers called the youth. Its role can also be compared to the engine that can take the bodies of youth to the development. It can also be compared to a potterer. The NCC being the potterer with its delicacy and very much exposure to all the hardships, with the actual amount of contrast between delicacy and hardships actually shapes its citizens to be its youth to be a better citizens in nation building. It gives them with various amounts of nation building characteristics, such as they have to be united, they have to be disciplined, they have to work for each other, they should be always available for the service of their country. We have seen this in the example in the Bangladesh War of 1971 and the India-Pakistan War of 1960.
Only 30 seconds. Now you have to start a discussion. Okay, start.
NCC plays a vital role as nation building because it trains the youth of the nation for the development of the nation. As the youth are the future of the nation, it is very important for the youth to be developed in a manner that the country get the title of a developed nation. NCC develops the
strong.
My dear friends, we need to understand that the formation of NCC was conducted as second line of defense. And now it is a voluntary association which is providing each and every individual who are having the willingness to be part of NCC. It is not just about being a good citizen but also being a responsible citizen.
Apart from this, NCC is something which provides equality. That is why the girls cadets were added in NCC 1949. It shows what gender equality actually looks like. It does not differentiate whether we are at what place we are. For all the activities assigned for boys and girls are similar in all the camps. And through camps, I remember that camps are actually something which give you a plethora of diverse experiences that actually shape you.
Then come in the Vishram. After saying then, come in the Vishram. So, in the corner part. Yes.
Is it okay?
Yes.
So today I
So start with Jai Hind. Suppose you come inside the room, then you said.
Jai Hind.
And within same year, when state election is conducted, even all seat goes to the state party, and even the same people casted their vote. So politicians are clever or people of the country are clever? You'll have to decide.
Sir, it is that maybe...
People of the country choose
Yes, sir.
politicians according to their
sir.
demand.
Yes, sir.
According to their demand. So we
Yes,
cannot
sir.
say that they are innocent. If we are saying they are innocent, it means that we are just putting question mark on the credibility of the people of the country. Yes.
In my opinion, I would say
I'm not saying you people are wrong. I'm just countering you with some different examples.
yes. In my opinion, I would say politics should not be mixed with religion. As India is a diverse country, India has many different types of religion, and politics and administration. These are two different things which changes whenever
Aspects of our society in the youth and also the people of the country. In cultural influence, it tells us about how rich our culture and diversity is of India, as we have a great history.
Thanks, sir. Jai Hind, everyone. Jai Hind, everyone. Today's my lecture topic is military training to the youth. Military is a very essential part of a country. We also know that a country runs because of the military, and it is defended.
Come please.
Jain, sir.
Yes, please.
Jai Hind, everyone. I am Under Officer Rajpriya Singh. I am here to deliver my lecturing topic on co-education. My dear friends, we need to understand that co-education is an education system where boys and girls come together to acquire knowledge. We need to understand that there are so many benefits and advantages of co-education.
So before the departure, I would like to give you some opportunity to you all of you, because after that you are going to come in a very systematic or selected format. As in the present number, you are 16. After that, you might be 9 or 10 only. Okay? So those students, actually please do not blame me. Actually, whatsoever the list is given to me, on that basis I am training. Okay? It is my responsibility. Whatsoever the name your group has allotted to me, on that basis my training schedule starts. Okay? Within that duration, even I assess you. Whatsoever the component you have, on that basis I started my training from last 2 days only, and presently what I perceive that you people are improving it with leaps and bounds. Even you get to know that what is the requirement to prepare before the SSS. Actually, everybody want to participate for the competition. But the candidates who are being trained by me, they are participating for the assessment sets. Even you're not a simple student. A few candidates are for SSB purposes. They want to be officer in armed forces. A few candidates want to prove themselves best candidate of this country. They want to get selection in YEP too. So actually, your preparation cannot be completed if you don't think what the SSR demands. On that basis, if your preparation starts, then I think that you can just move further. So a few candidates, what I perceive, have some method so that they can be trained and they can put results. I know that majority who are being selected by your headquarters have the quality. You are somehow more in drill, somehow in firing, somehow in cultural activities, and it is. On that basis, you people are categorized and opportunity is given to me. It is the third time opportunity I am training the cadets of best cadets of NCC. Shruti, na?
yes.
Yes, Shruti, what is the
Sir, if a lecturing topic is given to us, so sir, what information we should gather about that?
Listen, I have seen many of the candidates while delivering their lecture, they want to reflect the answers on it. Suppose population explosion, they start narrating all the facts related to population explosion. So what is the main difference between delivering answer or participation in lecturing? You should just mind it. Actually, it is not an answer test. It is a test in which you are going to give knowledge information as well as a personality trait. Listen, two different leaders, when they deliver their speeches. Let's take Rahul Gandhi and Narendra. Two leaders are. Suppose a single lecture is to be given to both of them. So can you differentiate the interest, who will lecture the topic or who deliver the speech will be more interested. Even the contents are very same. Can you imagine? Even with the same content, even delivery style is different. So population, boon or gain, actually it is known to each and everyone. But when you deliver it with your own skills or traits, it matters. So do not get into the trap of just revealing the facts and information. Even this time I have seen many of the candidates selected more topic from economics, which is broadly a data-based topic. And you get into the trap of delivering the data or facts so that your fluency or expression geoparrot. So try to choose at the last. If you're not getting any confidence from any of the captions, so try to get it in the last option of yours. Do not select any of the economics based topics in the beginning of the choice. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Any of the students, please ask your questions. Yes, Aruni, please.
So in which part I have to improve myself?
Aruni, you are very wrong today. So actually you have not started your training. And I have not trained you. Even I get this input from your complete personality that you are not being trained in terms of your, that is psychology part of the GDO. GDO means group related activities. Psychology means thought process.
Yes, sir.
What is the thought process? Actually work is not done. What is your activity sections, group related activities? It is not done. It may be possible that you are good at outdoor exposure like drill, culture or anything else. But I have seen some tremendous change within that days only. कैसे पता करता हूँ कि आपके अंदर चेंज आया है? आपको नहीं पता है. आई एम वर्किंग हियर एज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट. फर्स्ट डे से हर एक स्टूडेंट्स मेरे ऑब्जर्वेशन में रहता है. इट इज़ माई स्किल. अपने अपने स्किल्स होते हैं. तो हर एक स्टूडेंट के अपने अपने स्किल्स होते हैं. जैसे कि मान लीजिए आरुणि, he has his own domain, own aura. Sit down, please. I have seen many of the candidates in this profession that students are not easily accepted with any of the information initially. कोई भी स्टूडेंट जो है इजीली एक्सेप्टेड नहीं होता, वो नहीं मानता है कि मैं ऐसा मानूंगा इसको. और उसमें से आरुणि है. स्टार्टिंग में नहीं माने जब तक ये प्रूव नहीं. Gradually when he realized that no, the facts are associated with me, then he started some changes again. And that is the thing that I have realized. And it is a very basic component. You do not blame for that. It is a good one. Wise men always argue and fools decide. So if somebody is not getting and they are not agree with the thought of yours, actually it is not to be blamed. So you must have some different domain of training for that. Okay? तो आप अभी अनटच कैंडिडेट हैं और मैं आपके बारे में परसेप्शन इसलिए नहीं बनाऊंगा क्योंकि मैंने अभी असेसमेंट किया. ट्रेनिंग तो अभी मैंने की नहीं है. लेकिन ये परसेप्शन था कि दैट यू हैड योर ओन डोमेन ऑफ ऑरा ऑफ थिंकिंग. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. I realized that you want to change something in you. Because actually you realize that something is missing in you. And so that changes was done. और वो बढ़िया चीज़. वो बढ़िया चीज़. चलिए नेक्स्ट. इसके बाद हो सकता है आप SSB में कहीं जाएंगे ना. हो सकता है इसके फर्दर YP में भी जाएंगे. तो आपको ये सारी चीज़ें ज़रूरत. ये शुरू.
Sir, I was asking the same question that where I have to improve in life.
शुरू में आपको दो तरीके से. एक ऐसा है जब मैं कैंडिडेट्स को ट्रेन करता हूँ तो मैं दो कॉम्पोनेंट्स को ध्यान रखता हूँ. दो कंपोनेंट्स को जब मैं ध्यान में रखता हूँ, जैसे कि शुभम की भी हाइट जो है 172-74 सेंटीमीटर के करीब है. ठीक है. तो इस हाइट में इसका पर्सनालिटी पूरा मेरे स्कैन में आ गया. असेसमेंट के ये स्किल्स में होता है. तो शुभम का ड्रेसिंग सेंस को ठीक करना होगा और आपका भी ड्रेसिंग सेंस ठीक करना होगा. आपका बॉडी फैटी है थोड़ा सा, तो आपको थोड़ा सा मतलब क्लोज यूनिफॉर्म पहनना चाहिए. अदरवाइज आप आर्मी में फिटनेस एक बहुत ही क्वेश्चनेबल पार्ट होता है. और ये दोनों के ही लेवल पे मैं देख रहा हूँ कि ये नेगेटिव. मेरा परसेप्शन है ये नेगेटिव. थोड़ा सा फिट लुक पे आना चाहिए. दो कौन से कॉम्पोनेंट है जिस पे काम करना चाहिए आपको? एक है फिजिकल कॉम्पोनेंट, एक है एब्स्ट्रैक्ट कॉम्पोनेंट. फिजिकल कॉम्पोनेंट जो है आपके फर्स्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन ये एसेसर को बहुत इम्प्रेस करता है. जैसे आपने सुना होगा यू कैन नॉट गेट द सेकंड चांस फॉर फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन. दैट फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. What are the things which are included in first impression? आपका ड्रेसिंग सेंस क्या है, आपका टर्न आउट कैसा है, हाउ यू टेक द ड्रिल पार्ट और स्टेप, हाउ यू परफॉर्म perform your starting mannerism part, Jai Hind और all. जैसे कि आप जय हिंद और विश्राम सावधान में आते समय अपने स्टेप्स को मेंटेन करते हैं कि ये सब आपका विजिबल कॉम्पोनेंट देख लिया, इसमें बोलने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. बट व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट योर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट कॉम्पोनेंट, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट यानी कि ब्रेन का कॉम्पोनेंट विच कैन नॉट बी सीन, तो वो सीन जब नहीं होगा तो किस पे जाएंगे हम? फॉर दैट आई नीड टू टॉक certain information, certain questions, or what's on the caption allotted to you, such as brain drain or something else, and on this, when you start speaking, तो उस पर रीड हो जाता है कि मॉडरेट है, बिलो एवरेज है, अबव एवरेज. ये आपका एब्स्ट्रैक्ट कॉम्पोनेंट रिक्वायर्स स्पोकन सेगमेंट, एंड फिजिकल कॉम्पोनेंट रिक्वायर्स मेनली योर कंप्लीट पर्सनालिटी, हाइट, वेट प्रोपोर्शन क्या है, बॉडी रेशियो क्या है आपका, ड्रेसिंग सेंस क्या है आपका, जो भी ड्रेस पहनना है कि नहीं, और आपके बेसिक एटिकेट्स एंड मैनरिज्म. इस एटिकेट्स एंड मैनरिज्म नॉन डिफेंस बैकग्राउंड में गुड मॉर्निंग गुड इवनिंग में आते हैं, और यूनिफॉर्म से रिलेटेड जो सर्विसेज होते हैं उसमें आते हैं यहाँ पे, जो आपने जय हिंद कर रहे हैं, विश्राम कर रहे हैं, वो सारे एटिकेट्स मैनरिज्म. ठीक है, तो दैट इज द, उसके ऊपर आपको पूरा फिजिकल कॉम्पोनेंट तो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा काम करना चाहिए, है ना. आपको लगता है जो ड्रेस अलॉट हुई है ना आप लोगों को थोड़ा सा ऑफ साइज दे दिया है, इसको थोड़ा सा ध्यान. ठीक, टोनल क्वालिटी के ऊपर आपको थोड़ा सा लाउड होना चाहिए, है ना. आपका साउंड बहुत देर तक सर्वाइव नहीं करता है, और yesterday I have seen your job after just performing 5 or 6 minutes, just prepare for more than that. जल्दी चीज़ को थोड़ा ज़्यादा काम करें. Initially I have seen many of the candidates started shouting के परफॉर्मेंस को आपने सोचा होगा कि हम तो चिल्ला रहे हैं, लेकिन एक्चुअली यहाँ पर भी असेसमेंट है. यहाँ पर असेसमेंट है कि इन एडवर्सिटी हाउ यू बिहेव. तो एक थॉट प्रोसेस है इसमें, जरा ध्यान से सुनिएगा इसमें. द ब्रीड ऑफ ए मैन इज जज इन द क्विल. एक्चुअली इट इज अ थॉट, इट इज वेल एस्टेब्लिश्ड, इट इज नॉट थॉट. द ब्रीड ऑफ ए मैन इज जज इन द क्विल. मैन का मतलब है ह्यूमन. तो आपकी पहचान विपरीत परिस्थिति में की जाती है, और विपरीत परिस्थिति आर्टिफिशियली डिज़ाइन किया है, जिसमें कि मेनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर मेकिंग क्योर्स और साइमल्टेनियसली स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग. इन दैट यू आर नॉट able to speak anything. So in that adversity, how you manage your skills. So that is important. I've seen many of the candidates want to blame others. Why you are speaking like that? Do not blame it. Just get the opportunity. At that situation, what is your skills and how you perform. Because actually life is not conducive. It is not the bed of roses in which you are expecting everything very good. तो ऐसे विपरीत समय में आप कौन से स्किल्स को दिखाना चाहेंगे? That is a part of the ठीक. उस टेस्ट के बाद में भी आपको उसको एंजॉय करना चाहिए. एंजॉय का मतलब ये नहीं कि आप उसको ओवरलुक करें, आप उसको ध्यान से देखिए और अपने स्किल्स को रिवील करें. ठीक, आगे जाए.
Any tips for fluency and accent?
Accent is good. So Rajpriya, it is my personal observation. When you speak in the group discussion, you are okay. But when you speak in the lecturate or for the IO test, actually because of somehow reluctancy or flexible, so you can say slow thought process. So you are very reluctant. Reluctant means you are unwilling to reveal the facts. And the accent that you have, actually it reveals the artificial bit, not the natural. So what I suggest you try to be a bit faster. That is all. And actually your faster mode cover up the natural skill of your accent. Naturally you are having the accent, but when you speak slow, so actually it gives the impression that you design the word or accent to influence others only. So that is the purpose. Even you remember on the day one,
Yes.
actually it was my turn. Meanwhile I realized that why it happened. Then after I get the conclusion that in the GD part when you speak loud and participating well, it is good and considered. But in the lecture and I would it is not so. So try to do it.
Definitely.
Ji.
Sir, I want to ask what are my weaknesses and what should I do?
You don't have any weakness from my side.
Yes, sir.
It is your personality domain that you don't want to speak more. No, you don't want to speak more. It is your personality domain and try to be happy with that. आप अपनी personality domain के साथ happy रहें. Just try to be a bit more extrovert. है ना, आप बहुत introvert हैं. You analyze everything and just think about yourself. And अभी क्या होगा, अभी नहीं, बाद में सोचते जा रहे हैं. Try to believe in the performance. पहले performance पे जाइए. लेट द असेसर डिसाइड कि इसका मतलब क्या है, बट यू डिसाइड अर्ली और सोचता है कि नहीं इस पे करने से ये हो जाएगा, इसलिए नहीं होगा, है ना, यू आर एसोसिएटेड समहाउ मोर रिस्क। तो रिस्क को मैनेज करने में आपका साइकोलॉजी का एक डोमेन होता है जिसको मैं कहता हूँ न्यूरोटिसिज्म। आपके फर्दर क्लासेस में साइकोलॉजी के पर्सनैलिटी डोमेन को हम डिस्कस करेंगे, तो इसमें थोड़ा सा आपका ऑब्जर्वेशन करना है, ठीक है, तो इसी को थोड़ा सा आगे करिए, यू डोंट हैव एनी।
Sir, any negative points or any points of improvement?
सो यू आर वेरी स्लो एट परफॉर्मेंस, इसको थोड़ा सा लाउड करना होगा, और बाकी से बहुत बढ़िया आपका your vocal cord expresses your empathiness. You are very caring. Even the JD also I have seen that when you are not getting space to speak, even you want to see others speak. So that is a kind of responsibility and empathy that you have. It is the major domain of yours. ये आपकी quality का major domain है. It is a good one. For that I think that you must have many friends. इस domain के लोगों के friendship जल्दी हो जाता है.
Actually, sir, so if that is a good thing, let's say the same say the area of improvement in youth.
You are also raw material. So I don't think that you get any special attention or even assessment for the particular. You are raw material. There are certain fields on which you need to refurbish. Things are good. You are full of energy, and energy is neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be transformed into one form to another form. So it is a good thing that you can be cultivated, can be transformed. You are a challenge lover person, and when you see some adversity or challenges, you become somehow aggressive. That is to be controlled. It can be a trap. So that when to get challenged, when to avoid challenge, it is to be discussed. That is the thing. Now you already asked question. Again you want to ask question. Yes, Sanya.
I would like to ask the same question. The areas where I can improve.
I don't find anything that you need to improve, because actually in the assessment part of ours, you didn't explore yourself. Actually, you restricted yourself. I didn't work much on that. मैं उस पर ज़्यादा काम नहीं करता हूँ, जो चाहते ही नहीं काम किया। तो आपको सबसे पहले अपने आप को एक्सप्लोर करना है। एक्सप्लोर जब करेंगे तो मैं आपको एसेस करूँगा अपने जवाब। एक्सप्लोर नहीं करेंगे तो फिर उसके ऊपर आइडियाज़ नहीं बना। इंट्रोस्पेक्शन तो आपके अपने लिए होगा ना, मैं आपके लिए जो करूँगा उसका असेसमेंट है। Introspection that I feel some. No, need not. So actually, you are a reserved type of person. आप reserved personality हैं और आप सभी के साथ open up नहीं हो। ये observation है, because actually you have not explored yourself. All the segment are different. तो आपको अगर explore करते तो मैं आपका assumptions करता। तो इसलिए मैं कहूँगा you are good at knowledge. You are speaking less. Maybe possible that you will not get conducive place to speak. तो हो सकता है आपका कुछ choice हो इसमें, but actually you are good. Negativity मुझे नहीं लगता। तो वो reserve nature को थोड़ा सा आपको guidance करना। It is very much required in the leadership system. When you are very much open, then only your positivity and negativity can be perceived. And if you are reserved, so how could one get the positive and negative situation? No, that is the problem. तो उसको थोड़ा सा limitless करना। Darshana, you are immature by your performance. It is a good thing also, and presently my suggestion would be to speak louder. And you are in SW,
Yes, sir.
and the performance is for JW. So that is the different domain in which you are going to scale. Good.
Yes.
So clarity of thought with loudness is required in your complete display. Rest is good. Rest is good. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
So the last time you suggested me to improve my eye contact, at the same time improve the loudness of my voice. So are you noticing any differences from the first time I entered this academy to now?
In some calculated days when I started my assessment, so actually you are absent yesterday?
Yes, I was absent.
Number one. Number two, in the assessment cell of mine, actually in airway, only 2 candidates are there for senior division. And out of the 2, actually you come and what is your name?
Sir, flight cadet Rajendran.
Rajan. Both are there and both were absent yesterday and it was the practice set. So I am not taking my mature perception on it. Yes, you are very much right. I particularly observe your eye contact while speaking. You are not maintaining your eye contact with the listeners. So you have to work somehow on it. Number 2.